Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the British Motorbiker. So today is an exciting day for me because I'm going to be receiving an 1100 Tribute Pro from Ducati UK. Now if you have been following me on YouTube or if you've seen any of my content on Instagram where I spend most of my time, you'll remember around this time last year I took out a Ducati Sport Pro, that's the 1100 Sport Pro, the creme de la creme, dark tank, gold Nolans up the front, just an all-round animal, and I took that around Cornwall on a 1,000-mile trip. Now since then Ducati have released their Tribute Pro. The Tribute Pro I believe sits one level down from the Sport Pro. A lot of similarities in terms of the engine, the way it's tuned, all of that is purely, I'd say, a cosmetic difference, and also the handlebars. So rather than the flat bar like the Sport Pro and the Night Shift, it has more of a scrambler-esque higher rise bar. Now very excited for this. The Sport Pro I always go on about, and if you ever see me in the flesh, it's the bike I want to get. So it'll be interesting to be taking out 1100 for the second time, how it compares, and if it actually has the possibility of knocking that Sport Pro off the top rank, off the first place. So it's 2 weeks to do that as I please, whether that be going on tours, whether that just be going into London, creating content, YouTube, videos, taking shots for Instagram. There's a lot I have planned for this bike. Darren is going to be on his way down in a couple of hours, I believe, to drop the bike off. It's always good to see him, have a good catch up, a little chinwag. When I went to the Ducati press day, I had the opportunity of actually going through a series of bikes from the Ducati fleet, and the 1100 Tribute Pro was there, and that was actually my first time on it. So I've already had a taster. I was able to take it around the local towns and villages and a bit on the A roads nearby to get a feel for how this bike performed, and I loved it then. But now I'm able to take it into different environments, through London for filtering. Great to experience how this bike performs. Sit back, enjoy the video. Hey man.
You got a license for this, mate?
Yeah. I know. Hello, look at this. Beautiful.